what's up? We are flying to Albany today to go and get this really good sushi joint.
Well, of the sushi, please.
Actually don't know the name. So yeah, I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. It's gonna be IFR. It's gonna be kind of a little bumpy up there. Carson's gonna get some instruction done for his double I. So we have 3 CFIs with us. Carson's gonna fly up, and then I think Shaki, his coworker, is gonna fly back. I'm super excited.
Oh my God!
Hopefully I don't get too motion sickness, so we will see. All I had was a clementine and a 0 sugar Dr. Pepper today, and coffee, so we're going strong. Okay, but this airport is so sick. Look at how nice the bathroom is, first off. They have really cute soap. I just got handed a gift box with like a little cheese board when we walked up. I'll show you guys after this. But she gave me like a little cheese box with some crackers. There's sandwiches in the lobby. Like, this is seriously so cool. Crew car. Sushi. Vlog life.
It's all you need. They mixed it up. They got later. NANI?